Have you ever tried to download an app and gotten an error that it's not available in your country? This is a common problem, but there's a simple, safe way to fix it using what's called an APK file. I'll show you exactly what to do. First, a very important warning: always download APK files from a trusted source. Downloading from an unreliable website can risk malware. We will use a trusted site called APK Mirror. Open the browser and go to apkmirror.com. Use the search bar to find the app you want. Now, you need to tell your Android phone that it's okay to install an app from a website. Go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access. Tap Install Unknown Apps. Find and select the browser you're using, like Chrome. Toggle the Allow from this source switch to On. With the security setting enabled, you can now download and install the app. Go back to the APK Mirror page for the app you found. Tap the Download APK button. Your phone will show a warning. Tap OK. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder or Files app. Tap on the downloaded APK file. A pop-up will ask you if you want to install it. Tap Install. That's it. The app will now install and you can open it like any other app.